Hey folks, welcome back to the second day of Licksmas, the completely made-up holiday where we learn a new guitar lick every day for 12 days in a row. Remember, if you want to learn any of these licks on banjo, you can go check out Eli Gilbert's YouTube page where he'll be teaching the same lick on banjo today. Anyway, on this day, the second day of Licksmas, we have a guitar lick that I'm really excited to show you. So this is a lick that Bennett Sullivan reminded me of. Bennett Sullivan is the really cool dude who runs TuneFox. Hey Bennett, yeah, it's Marcel. Listen, how much money do you think you could give me if I mentioned TuneFox in a video? Wait, no money? And my phone isn't even on? He hung up on me. This lick takes advantage of the three most common blue notes, the minor third, the flat fifth, and the dominant seventh, by moving through this clever pattern where each step is one measure long. Throughout the lick, we make some strange friends along the way, like the major seventh, and it's even on a downbeat, but it feels good anyway somehow. That means this lick could also play well over a 5-1 chord change, potentially. Here's the lick again at 2 speeds. You know, like they always say, maybe it's not the licks we learn, but it's the friends we made along the way that really matter. Remember, if you want to learn all 12 licks, down there you can hit subscribe, you can follow this channel, you can see them as they come out, and of course, if you want to learn these licks on banjo, go follow Eli Gilbert. You can find the link to his channel in the description below as well. If you want to get the tab for all of these licks, please go to my website, lessonswithmarcel.com. I'll be releasing that tab when the whole series is complete. So anyway, I will see you tomorrow for the third day of Licksmas.